To Feringgi, the golden starts from the golden source, Sands Resort, Shangri-La groups. So wonderful Christmas vibe everywhere. I hope you enjoy the view. I'll show the another time for a full video. Already I posted about the videos out there. So everywhere is getting Christmas. This is the exact spot of the Feringgi and the starting point. So from the bus stop we can come opposite to the road, the Golden Sands Resort. The behind the beach starts. And let's go. There is a washing area and bathing area for 1 ringgit and 50 cents. Here is the stores for beach side. There is the beach area starts. So here is the naturistic spot of the Feringgi, Penang. I hope you enjoy the colorful vibes. So beach arrives. Here is the Golden Sands Hotel, the behind the beach. So you can choose your sports activities, sea activities of the combo of the rate. So totally they changed it. So here is the back side of the Shangri-La hotel. It's a wonderful spot. So I'll post a separate video. So massage center also available here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.